Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about clustered column chart in Power BI. And these are the headings that we are going to cover in this video. First, we will see what is clustered column chart in Power BI, and then we will see how to create a clustered column chart in the Power BI visual. So let's begin with what is clustered column chart in Power BI. The clustered column chart in Power BI displays more than a single series of data in the vertical bars, and the vertical bars are grouped by the data and it shares the same x-axis label. In the Power BI clustered column, the data will be represented in the y-axis and the axis will be represented in the x-axis. So now we will see how to create a clustered column chart in the Power BI visual. Initially, log into the Power BI desktop and load the data using the Get Data option here under the Home tab. In this example, you can see I have previously loaded the financial stable data and you can view it in the data view. And this is the financial stable data. Get back to the report view to create the clustered column chart. Here you can see this is the clustered column chart presented under the visualization. Select the clustered column chart here and align it properly, and you can also select different data sources. You can see here different data sources are presented and you can load the data from different data sources. Once the data has been loaded, we can view it in the data view as I previously showed, so that we can able to use the data into our field section for the selected clustered column chart. Now here you can see if I want to display the clustered column chart for the sales occurred by the product, then in that case drag and drop the sales in the y-axis field and the product in the x-axis field, so that it displays the clustered column chart with the sales by product value. Here you can see it groups the data and displays the data value for this selected product. When we hover, you can view the sales value and the product name for the selected vertical bar in the tooltip. Now in the same way, if I want to view the clustered column chart with the sales by product and country, then in that case I can easily drag and drop the country field towards the legend section, so that it displays the clustered column chart based on the sales that occurred by product and as well as country. Here you can see for the PSU product for the different countries, it is showing the sales value. In the tooltip you can see it displays the product name, country name and also the sales value. Here you can see the countries, different countries and its color label. Now if I want to display the clustered column chart visual only with the sales that occurred by country, then in that case remove the country from the legend section and remove the product from the x-axis field and drag and drop the country to the x-axis, so that it groups the value, sales value based on the country field. Here you can see in the x-axis it displays the country value and the clustered column chart displays the grouped values in the vertical bar. This is how to create a clustered column chart visual in Power BI. Now if I want to display the clustered column chart with small multiples, so I want to add the product section field here towards the product field towards the section, then in that case you can see my clustered column chart displays the sales that occurred by country and product. For the selected product, it displays the country value, it splits with the product and it displays the sales and country value as well as the product value. This is how the small multiples works in the Power BI cluster chart. With this we came to the end of this video, where we have learned what is Power BI clustered column chart and how we can load the data into the Power BI desktop and use the clustered column chart, and how to create it and display the data into the clustered column chart with different examples. I hope you liked and understood this video. Thanks for watching this video, and these are the free video tutorials that are presented in our YouTube channel. You can check it out, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful videos. Thank you.